Hey my Vibez Babes, what's going on? It's your girl Hiba and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I just want to, go over how to make the best crochet videos, okay? And this is specifically for tutorials, all right? So the very first thing that you want to have on hand, of course, is yarn and a needle, all right? That's the main thing, right? But the second thing that's also one of the main things, because this thing that I'm about to mention kind of makes, it's the muscle, okay? That's what I want to call it. The muscle of the video, all right, is your hands, okay? You have to have not nice looking hands. Your hands could be the ugliest hands in the world, but make sure they're lotioned, okay? I would say make sure they're done. Sometimes I have mine done, sometimes I don't, but they don't have to be done. It's just a plus if they are done, okay? If they're like painted up nicely and everything. But definitely want to have them things lotioned. Have them things oiled up, all right? Because don't nobody want to be looking at a video with you with crusty, musty, dusty hands, all right? So you definitely want to have your hands moisturized. So the third thing is you want to have a nice, clean background. Okay, so what I mean by nice, I mean maybe something that's colorful, maybe something fluffy or something that's appealing to the eye as your background. So for example, I have a little rug, a fluffy rug that I use for my background. And it's a white plain rug, but it's not on for example, because since you crochet, usually what I do is I have my camera over my shoulder and I'll be crocheting, and so my background is either a tabletop or something along the lines of that. So I'll put the rug on my tabletop. You don't want to have just the regular table as your background unless it's like a super cute table, like one of those marble tables, or a wooden like something like this bed right here. That's cute, okay? You want to have your background where, people are going to be like, okay. They don't want to get distracted by little spots and little dirty little things on your table, all right? And number 4 is basically you want to have something to hold your phone. Like I said, my phone is usually over my shoulder normally, or sometimes I'll have it the stand right next to me, and I'll have the camera part. Basically, it's a camera holder. Have it tilted over. I'll show you a video of it and everything and how I set it up too. After I explain what it is that you need, you'll have it tilted over. It's basically a camera holder, all right? And luckily, my camera holder has a ring light with it, which is the 5th thing that you want to have, is good lighting. So those two things, the ring light and the what do you call it, the phone holder, is really good for shooting your tutorial videos. Here's a little video of how I shoot my videos and a little bit of that. I'll be showing you how I do my nails, how I lotion my feet. So I know. Because I do have a TikTok of, how I kind of do it. But this was just a little bit in detail on why as opposed to just how, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely want to go subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification button so you can know when I post another video. Bye.